Howdy folks. Today we're looking at another Sansui 4900Z. Let's see, what do I know about this thing? This one is supposed to be in pretty good condition. We'll very likely just be doing some cosmetic work on it and sending it on its way. If that is indeed the case, this will wind up being the first 4900Z that actually fully works that's been on my bench. We'll check it out. That switch looks like it could use some attention. So per normal, let's go ahead and open it up, take a look inside, make sure there's nothing too scary going on before we plug it in. All right, give you a little look-see. It's a little dusty, but that seems to be about the worst thing I can say. It doesn't look too bad at all. Don't see anything jumping out at me right away. So yeah, let's plug it into the dim bulb tester just to make sure that nothing bad happens. And let's power her on. All right, we got a decent drink from the dim bulb, and it's now settled in nice and low. So happy to see that. Let's see if the tuner actually works. Let's see, am I missing something here? Yep. There we go. Cool. That is definitely the first working tuner I've had on one of these with the presets and everything working the way it's supposed to. So pretty happy to see that. Let's see, what else do I want to test with this thing? Oh, I think we'll do our normal phono round here, make sure that stage is working well. A little bit of noise there, but it'll clean up. Okay, yeah, functionality-wise, I would say I am pretty happy with that. Let's see, I guess next I'm going to go through and I think I'm going to update this to a white LED and do a little bit of cleanup. Just get it looking nicer. Actually, it appears I am out of the cool white wedges that I want to use. So we are temporarily going to put in a warm white to hold down the fort here. All right, it's a little brighter, but still not quite where I want it, but it's not bad. It'll do for today. So I might need to clean up that power switch a little bit. All right, I think I am pretty happy with how that came out. And yeah, there's not going to be a whole lot much more to do on this one. It's pretty well good to go. I think it's a nice looking piece of kit, and we will have the link for the auction down below here soon if it's not there already. All right, thank you as always for watching, and we will see you in the next one.